Arctic fox.
Any
Any part of the body that is far away from the heart requires more energy to heat. Arctic foxes are short and stumpy, so their hearts don't have to work very hard to warm their nose and toes.
thick winter fur keeps Arctic foxes warm in freezing temperatures.
Arctic foxes have a thick, bushy tail that they wrap around themselves like a blanket. It's like walking around with a nice warm blanket in your back pocket.
Arctic foxes seek shelter in snow burrows during unusually cold weather.
Arctic foxes even have hair on the soles of their feet for protection from the cold ground.